Pennsylvania outdoorsman here. You guys probably noticed I was pulling that deer out of the woods, dragging it with the quad. Yeah, the hitch friggin' snapped. So I bought a new one. That one looks pretty awesome, pretty thick. So we're gonna bolt that up there, and I'll be back in action, I hope. So we got that off, and those two plastics there, that skid plate, one's broken. They're rubbing, so I gotta take those off, and then once I have it all lined up, those are too far apart. So I need to pre-drill this and make one of those holes a bit wider so I have some slack. It's never easy. This is how it is. You work on your own stuff, you find out. So to fix the broken plastics, and I have a few of them here, I talked to my guys in China and they sent me this, the old plastic welder. So we're gonna, you can see I tried it there already. It don't last very long, but we'll try it. I'm just trying to keep this thing looking okay, you know. It takes a beating up and down that mountain. So what we had here is my hitch snapped. You can see that hitch adapter just snapped right off. So I unbolted it there, and the new one doesn't mount up. The bolt pattern's too wide. So we're gonna oblong that right now. It's doing good. I bumped it up to a bigger size. I got through the first hole, and I'm using that for the second hole as a guide. Excellent. Excellent. Using a Yama lube. Worked out well. Now we're gonna fix this. You'll see that snapped. So I'm gonna use that plastic welder and weld that back together. I'll show you. See, it's all right. That's a little better. pretty cool idea. I mean, I don't know how well it's truly gonna work and hold. The other ones didn't hold that long. As soon as you bump them again, so cold out. All right, same thing. Okay, it's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. And I'll do one more right on the end. I have a few more I can go around the quad and touch up. Oh, let's try this way. That's it. Okay. There's some others around the quad here. See if I can find them. So what I'll do now is once that is hardened, I'll just go and snip those edges and that's it. There's one more on the other side. Basically, just gotta start getting some new panels, I think, on this. Start collecting them. Pretty neat. And that's it, kids. We're going to pack it up. I have go get the trailer and get rid of some pumpkins.